Feeling ready, feeling good. Oh my god, hi! You look so good today, you know what I mean? So, I've done this kind of video before. I did it when I was excited about the ColourPop collection that was coming out with Animal Crossing, and now I have been inspired once again. So, if you aren't like up to date with what's going on with Trixie Mattel, she has just announced a new eyeshadow palette. It's actually the Miss Girl, hey. It's actually the brand's first ever eyeshadow palette, and it is like an 80s daytime kind of palette. Now, it's very blue, and I'm not a huge blue eyeshadow kind of person normally, but this palette just like really hits everything that I'm like about. It's blues, it's 80s themed, but it's not like a generic blue, it's a very specific 80s blue, which is like, I'm excited about it, you know? So I thought I would do something to commemorate this. I thought it would be fun. So today, I'm gonna turn myself into Trixie Mattel as best I can from memory. I've watched Trixie Mattel for a very long time. I watched her on, I've watched her on actual Drag Race, and I now watch her YouTube channel. So I've seen her do her makeup like a lot, and I think I can recreate this from memory. I think. So let me just really quickly pull my hair up, take my glasses off, and like throw on some foundation, and we'll get going, I think. Yeah. I'm so glad I'm wearing a shirt that I literally don't care about at all. I realized just before I started this that I don't have any like glue sticks or anything, so I just shaved my eyebrows off, so pray for my brows. I've done it before, but it's a pain in the ass to have them grow back. I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's one of my least favorites, but I feel like it's gonna be fine for this because it's, you know, there's a lot going on top of it. So I'm gonna use this old Kat Von D Shade and Light cream kit. I've had this for like a pretty long time. So I think Trixie uses a pretty dark one, so I'll get pretty liberal. And she kind of does like, well, that's not that dark, unfortunately. We can go darker. She kind of does like a triangle situation, I think, where it's like that. I mean, it looks like it's a triangle, right? Like, well, maybe this one could be down more. And then we'll do across the forehead, because I think Trixie does a lot of like forehead. Wow, I'm looking great. And then we can go kind of around the jaw. I'm trying to serve Trixie Mattel, but it's just gonna be Tracy Turnblack, huh? Okay, and for the highlight today, I'm just gonna be using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Pale. I think she kind of does like that, right? And then she does like down there. And then she takes this and she carves out a highlight. Is this correct? Trixie, help. I mean, this looks a little pale. It look a little dead. But I'm hoping with some blush and stuff, we'll just really get this back to life. Bring me to life. Wake me up inside. Now, Trixie, I think, does like brows and then she sets. So I'm gonna do that. I would rather fuck up my brows now and then like not have to worry about them later. So I think I'm just gonna start with that. Okay, and Trixie does her brows. They're kind of like up and over a little bit. So I'm gonna try that. That might be a little too much up. I mean, that looks like it could be a brow, right? She's got bug antennas. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with like a shitload of powder because I see Trixie do that a lot. I didn't do the nose contour. Well, we'll just do that after. It's fine. And this is why I'm wearing a shirt that I don't care about, because I'm getting powder all over it.
Choices.
Kind of just looks like I have like real brown nose. I'm a brown noser. That wasn't a good joke. Trixie does just like a straight up and down, like rectangle. Yeah, I mean, no, it looks good. Okay, now, I have this really old blush palette from when I was in makeup school, and this color here is way too dark for me normally, but I think that that's gonna be fine for Trixie, right? Because it's just like... Now, I know that Trixie holds up a card when she does her contour. However, I don't have a mirror that's stationary. I'm holding my mirror. So I would be completely blind doing that, which I don't think would render itself to a productive contouring experience. Okay. I mean, I feel like it looks like a sideburn on me, but I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm the problem. I don't have that Manic Panic powder that I've seen Trixie use, so I am just gonna go ahead and use like a white eyeshadow that I like and know and trust, and we'll just, yeah, we'll use that. That will be proficient. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, Ms. Trixie, I see it's all coming together. I see it. I feel like I'm getting to somewhere good, and I think we can start the eyes. So I'm gonna start by just sketching out where the eyeliner is, because then I can kind of base everything out around that. So she kind of goes like... Is that right? That seems about as correct as it's going to be.
That is not correct.
In honor of the collection, I think we should do blue, and that's easy enough. I'm gonna kind of start with this blue in this, what is this? Model's Own Full Moon palette. Looking at this, I'm like, I think Trixie's goes a little bit higher here, right? No, once that's filled in, I think it'll, yeah, okay. Not me just convincing myself that it's all fine. I mean, that doesn't look completely incorrect, does it? So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use Vibes from the Aura and Out ColourPop palette. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, and I need to kind of reestablish the highlight of that brow. And I've seen Trixie do this. This is one of the parts that I'm kind of like, I don't know how she does this so easily without it looking like a streak. But I'll do my best. Well, it's fine. We'll try. Okay, and now I think I'm ready to move on to what I perceive to be kind of the easiest part, I hope, which is just adding the white. Unfortunately, I don't have a white eyeliner or anything, so we're just gonna use that concealer. I mean, how thick should it be? Well, it's not good, but I think it will work. I just have to wait for that to dry. Although I think Trixie does the eyeshadow under the eye first. Given the fact that I'm working with a concealer that just loves to pick up any color that's around it, whispering near it, that it's ever heard of, I think that this is just the best case scenario for me, personally. Well, it wouldn't be a Trixie video if I didn't moan about something, so let me just, that wasn't very good, but I tried my best. Why don't we kind of do that thing that she does with the eyeshadow, where I'm just kind of like, okay, I mean, that's starting to look more Trixie Mattel-ish, I think. I don't want to do this, but I need just a little bit more. literally hate this eyeliner. Oh, yeah, this NYX eyeliner is very white, but it's also trash. It's not like liquid white, and so it kind of like, it's gloopy and messy and inconsistent. I can tell you that this white is like burning my eyes, so that's an incredibly lovely feeling. Let's do some, I have a cake liner. I think it's like a Mayron or Kryolan or something. Trixie, girl, you couldn't have gone with something easier, like a neutral lid or something? Like an everyday chapstick mascara look, you know? Something that was just easier to do. I will admit, this is so challenging. Okay, let's add like an off black. Okay, this is dope as f. I had lashes from a while ago that I had made that were like, they were cool, they were like spidery, and I can't find them for the life of me. I have no idea where they went, so we're just gonna have to kind of pretend that I'm wearing lashes, and also that I can see out of my left eye. Okay, let's do blush. And for blush today, I'm using the From the Moon blush from the Sailor Moon ColourPop collection. Trixie loves her blush, so. My hands are watering. Let's finish this off with lipstick. The I Heart This lippy pencil, like lippy stick pencil. Okay. All right, that seems good enough. And then I'm gonna finish off with the lippy stick in Busy Pop, which looks kind of darker, but when I swatched it, because this one's kind of new to me, it looked kind of like a Barbie pink. Let's find out. Yeah, okay. Kind of smells like icing. Do I look like Trixie Mattel? Probably a little. Is this incredible? You tell me. I feel like I did a pretty decent job, considering that A, I didn't have any eyelashes for some reason somehow, and B, I didn't have pretty much any product that Trixie Mattel has ever used on her entire channel. This looks so hot. What do you think? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are Trixie Mattel, your time has come and I will be taking your channel now. Thank you so much. Kachiel, I will see you on the set of If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, leave them in the comment section. I make new videos every Friday and sometimes Sunday when I feel like it. I hope you guys have a great week and I will talk to you soon. Bye.